Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue that says that it's time for you to update your device when you're installing applications on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing here would be to open up the Start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the apps tile, and then on the right side where it says installing apps only from Microsoft Store helps protect your device, go ahead and click inside this drop down and select anywhere. So go ahead and make sure that is selected here, and then go ahead and see if that resolves the problem, which is definitely the first thing I recommend trying. If that doesn't resolve the problem, something else you can try here, if you go on the internet, you can open up whatever web browser you want, doesn't matter to me, and you want to navigate over to google.com and search up Windows Media Creation Tool and just search for it. When the best results should come back with a Microsoft domain, download Windows 10 disk image. Go ahead and open that up and select the Update Now button or the Download Tool Now. It doesn't really matter either or. We're going to select the Update Now option. Again, you can select the other option too if you prefer. And go ahead and just open that up. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. So you can see it says we're already up to date when we did the update option. Otherwise, you can select the Download Tool Now button. So if you're running a slightly older version of Windows here, or perhaps you're going to be burning it to another device or updating another device with it, I'm going to go ahead and select Yes. And then you just would walk through the on-screen prompts here about setting up the device, whether it's for this device or another device you are going to be setting the specifications for, because you actually have some options here as to whether you're just going to update this device, burning it to a DVD or a USB flash drive and installing it on another computer. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. There really isn't that much more to go through. Just make sure you're fully up to date at this point, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.